This entire brand was built from scratch inside Adobe Express. Let me show you how. This video is sponsored by Adobe Express. So I'm starting with a completely blank screen inside Adobe Express. The first thing I'm going to do is set up my brand kit. You'll see two options here, manual setup or extract brand from upload. I'm going with manual setup so I can show you exactly how this works from scratch. I type in my brand name, Bruco, then upload my logo. Next, I add my 3 brand colors to the palette. And then I set my fonts. Playfair display for headlines and Montserrat for body text. That's it. My entire brand identity is now saved inside Adobe Express. Now comes the part that honestly still amazes me every time. I'm going to generate a professional product shot using the generative AI feature inside Adobe Express. I go to generate image, set my canvas size to square 1:1 and select the AI model. Now I type in my prompt. But here's the extra step that makes this really powerful. In the image settings, I'm adding my Bruco logo as a reference image. This helps the AI understand my brand aesthetic before generating. Now I hit generate and look at that. A stunning professional product shot in seconds. No camera, no studio, no photographer needed. Now I'm going to build my social media post around this product image. I adjust the corners of the image to 30 for that clean rounded look. And then I change my background color directly from my brand palette to my espresso black. Now I add my headline text. I'm using Playfair display, typing crafted for the bold in all caps and setting the size to 45. Then I add my second text line, start your morning right. Switching to Montserrat Extra Light for that elegant contrast. I change both text colors to caramel. And just like that, the entire design feels cohesive and professional. Brand kit doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Now let's bring this to life. I go into the Animate feature inside Adobe Express. For my text elements, I'm applying the fade animation. Clean, elegant, premium. For the product image, I'm choosing Rise, so the coffee bag gently floats up into frame. Together, these two animations create a natural storytelling flow, professional motion content created in seconds. And the final step, my favorite feature. I designed this as a square Instagram post. But now with just one click, I'm going to resize it for mobile video. Adobe Express gives me 3 versions to choose from. I pick the best one, and just like that, my content is perfectly formatted for mobile platforms. One design, multiple formats, 0 extra effort.